Hello friends, today we are going to talk basic concepts in chemistry. There are various concepts in chemistry which are useful for study or understanding the branch of science such as chemistry. We are using those concepts which are helpful for study of chapter number 2, periodic classifications of elements in SSC Board of Maharashtra. First concept is atomic number. Atomic number is the basic concepts which are used for each and every term in our chemistry branch. So let us first define the atomic number, then we can discuss the examples of atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons or electrons present in an atom. Have you got this definition? The number of protons or electrons present in an atom. Atomic number expressed as letter Z. So we are taking an example. Atomic number of sodium is 11, which means in the element of sodium there are 11 number of protons or 11 number of electrons. But in chemical language we can express as Z is equal to 11, which means sodium element. One of the second most important definition or one of the second most important basic concepts in chemistry, such as atomic mass number. Atomic mass number is the number of sum of protons and neutrons present in an atom. First we can write the definition, then we can discuss later on. The number of sum of protons and neutrons present in an atom. Generally, atomic number expressed as capital letter A. Example: we are taking an example of sodium element. A is equal to P plus n, which means A is equal to atomic mass number, P is equal to number of protons present in an atom plus number of neutrons present in an atom. If we have to find out, then we can write such as we already know, number of protons present in sodium element are 11, as we written here above, because number of protons or electrons present in an atom is also called as atomic number. So P is equal to 11 plus number of neutrons present in sodium element are 12. Therefore 11 plus 12 is equal to 23. So atomic mass number of sodium element is 23. Third most important definitions for the study of chapter number 2 in SSC board, periodic classification of elements, such as isotope. Generally, isotopes are nothing but, we can say that these are twin elements, such as the elements which have same atomic number but different atomic mass number. Such as, for example, we can discuss isotope of chlorine element. Chlorine 17, as we know 17 is the atomic number of chlorine and atomic mass of chlorine is 35. But we are discussing about isotopes. Isotopes are nothing but the elements which have same atomic numbers but different atomic mass number. So we are again discussing chlorine isotopes. Chlorine 1735, again chlorine 1737. These are called as isotopes of chlorine element because atomic number, as we see, atomic number is the same but atomic mass number is slightly different. These twin elements, generally we can call these are twin elements, are called as isotopes. Okay, have you got this? Next most important definition or concept is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the distributions of electrons. Electronic configuration is the distribution of electrons in the shell-wise manner in an atom. Firstly, we can write the definition. The distribution of electrons in the shell-wise manner with definite rule is called electronic configuration. Electrons are filled in a definite shell accordance with the formula such as we can write 2n square. This is what the basic formula through which we can fill electrons in a different shells with a particular manner. In this, n is called as number of shells. N is called as number of shells. First one, we can find out how many electrons are filled in a particular atom. So, first column is name of shell. We can also call it as symbol of shell. Symbol or name of shell. Second one, formula. Third one, electron capacity. Through this, we can tell that how many electrons are filled in a particular atom. First shell we can discuss as its name or symbol K shell. Formula, as we know, 2n square, which were written above the table. First shell name is K, formula is 2n square. By the formula, n is what? Number of shell, which means n is equal to 1. By putting n is equal to 1, we can call it as 2 into 1 square, which is equal to 2 into 1, that is called as 2. Similarly, for second shell, after that K shell is L shell, KL, by the formula 2n square. So here n is equal to what? 2. Here n is equal to what? 2. So by putting the value 2 is equal to n, or n is equal to 2 in the formula, 2 into 2 square, which is equal to 2 square is what? 4. 4 into 2, 8. Similarly, third shell K, L, and later on M shell. So formula again 2n square. Putting the value n is equal to what? 3 in this formula. 2 into 3 square. Again 3 square, as we know 3 square is 9. 9 into 2, 18. And finally we can also write similarly K, L, M, and fourth shell is what? N shell. Again formula constant 2n square. Putting the value n is equal to what? 4. 2 into 4 square. 4 square, as we know, 4 into 4, 16. 16 multiplied by 2, 32. This is what the particular manner, how many electrons are filled in a particular atom or element. Example we are discuss. electronic configuration of sodium atom. Symbol is what? Sodium, Na. So we can write as Na is equal to, as we know, the electron or atomic number of sodium is 11. That means the number of electrons present in sodium atom is 11. So we can find out the configuration such as 2 into 8 into 1. How many electrons are there? 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. This is the method we can fill the electrons in a different shell. Next definition is what? Number is fifth one. Valence electrons. This is the simplest definition which can easily find out by anyone. Valence electrons are nothing but the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. That is, in earlier example, sodium, 2 electrons are present in K shell. That is formula KLMN. That's why 2 electrons are present in K shell, 8 electrons present in L shell, and 1 electron is present in M shell. So outermost shell is what? 1. That is, 1 is nothing but the valence electrons of sodium atom. First we can write the definition, then we can discuss. The number of electrons present in outermost shell is called as valence electrons. As we discussed above the example of sodium, we can take another example such as chlorine. So, what is the correct method of filling the electrons in a chlorine atom? As we discussed earlier, sodium such as 2. In chlorine, there are 17 electrons. So, we have to arrange such as 2, 8, 7. So, in a chlorine, there are 7 electrons which we called as valence electrons. Valence electrons are 7 in chlorine atom. Another example we can discuss. Boron. As we know, atomic number of boron is 5. So, distribution of electrons like electronic configuration 2, 3. So, how many electrons are in the boron is outermost shell? There are 3 electrons present in outermost shell of boron atom. So, there are 3 valence electrons. So, up to now, these are the 5 important definitions or concepts which are useful in the study of periodic classification of elements in SSC board part 1st. So, there are various definitions or various concepts regarding this we can discuss on in later classes. Thank you so much.